Hello, this is Zach Kohler, and I'm going to be showing you how to post on the CBS Discussion Forums. So first, go to the forum website, www.napershalom.org/forum. When you get there, click Login. Log in with your username and password. If you have not created an account yet, then you can watch my last video about how to create an account. Once you've done that, click Login. Then click Return to the index page. Now, pick out the category or forum that you want to post on. So, in this case, I want to post on the group help discussions. Now that I'm here, I click New Topic. Now, put in the subject for the post. So, how to post on the forum. Then, type in what you want to actually be in your post. First, go to www.napershalom.org. I'm not going to type in the whole thing right now because that would take too much time. Then, you can use any of these tags to modify it. So the first one is bold. So let's say you want to make the text bold. You click on that with the highlighted text and it'll put a B before and after the text. You can't see it right now, but that'll make it bold when we preview it. Then you can also underline, italicize, you can put in a quote from something that someone has said in the last post if you're replying. You could put in some HTML code for someone to copy into their own website. You could put a list, an image, a URL, a YouTube video, you could do a lot. You could also, if you select the text, change the color of it. So maybe if I want it to be green, then it'll put in the color and color afterward. You can also change the font size. So select everything that you want to be in the font and change the font size. Another thing that you can do is edit the smileys, or add smileys, I mean. So, let's say I want this happy face, then it'll put in the happy face. That's a little colon, then a D. Then, once I scroll down, there are some options I can change. I can say disable the codes, disable the smileys, and disable URLs. I can click attach a signature, which is automatically checked, which is if you have a signature, it puts it at the end. And I'll show you how to change your signature in a later post. in a later video. You can also click notify me when a reply is posted. Also, you can scroll down and click browse, and browse for a file on your computer and add a file along with the post. You can also put in a comment for the file. Once you've browsed and added the comment, then click add the file. Another thing that you can do is add a poll. So in this box you add a question. So, did this post help you? Then you type in your answers here. So you put one answer per line, and you can have up to 10 options. Yes, no. Down here you can select how many options each user can select. So in this case, I only want them to be able to select one, yes or no. Then you can say how long you want to run the poll for. So let's say I only want this to run for 10 days, then I'd type 10. But in this case, I want it to just keep going forever. So I'm just going to type in 0, then that makes it go on forever. If you check this box, that enables revoting, so that means that users, once they've submitted it, they can then change their answer. Then, once you're done, if you want to, you can preview it to see how it'll look. So now, as you can see, it's bold, it's green, and yeah, it's bold and it's green, like how I edited it before. So, it's also got smiley at the bottom. So if I like that, then I can take it, or I can get, like, I don't really like the green color, so I'm going to take that out. I'll take out the bold too. So then you just backspace that, and the smiley is kind of pointless too, so I'll take that out. So now I'm going to go down here and preview it again. This time it looks better. Then it also lets you preview the poll. So once you're happy with it, you can click submit, and say either view your submitted message or return to the last forum visited. So it automatically goes to the post that you just added if you don't click one. So here it is. First go to, that's what I typed, and then also my poll. And that's how to post.